everyone. Just a quick video demonstration on how easy it is to access the Job Ready system and all of the things that you've been given. When you click on the link to the email, it's going to take you to this basic home page. Go ahead and click register and just enter in all of your relevant information. So your name, your email, and you're already entered into the system, but this is a way to confirm your account. You'll go ahead and create a password that you'll use in the future, and then you'll go ahead and click continue at the bottom when that's all ready to go, and making sure it's going to force you to make sure that your passwords match, which you see I am struggling with right now. There they go, all green. They match. Then you click continue. Now what that's going to do is generate an email to you. So leave this screen open and go check your email. When you do, you should see that come through any moment. But what it is a way to just verify your privacy, make sure that you are you. When the email comes through, there we go, you'll see just a link quickly to verify it. And when you do, it's going to automatically log you into the system. So once you get logged in, I wanted to explain the interface that you'll see. You'll have to accept some user terms and conditions. And when you agree to that, it's just going to load the system. Now, Youth Opportunities Unlimited, they want you to focus in two areas. One is learn your strengths here, where you're going to launch an assessment. It takes about 15 minutes to complete, and you learn a lot about yourself. You get some great reports that I'll show you in a minute. And then also down here, you see this Youth Opportunities Unlimited tab. And there they have the series of training videos that they want you to explore. So clicking on each one opens that related video. You can click play and watch it. They're fun. None of them last more than 10 minutes. They're really easy to do and successfully complete, so I'll show you that in a minute as well. But when you click on the Learn Your Strengths tab to take the initial assessment, that's the first thing they want you to do. You go ahead and click Get Started, and it's going to launch the assessment. And again, that takes a good 10 or 15 minutes. When you get finished with the test, obviously you'll click the Finish button. And what it's going to do is it's going to calculate those results. Thank you, and then you click the Sign In button again, but it remembers you from the last time and it takes you back to your home page where again you see everything that you did before. But now when you click on Learn Your Strengths, instead of that button to launch the test, it's going to give you a view where it shows all of your results. Now we give you 4 pretty cool reports about yourself. The first, Strengths Fit, shows how your personality naturally aligns to 16 different workplace competencies or soft skills. So if you score high in something, it just means that your personality is naturally kind of inclined that way. If you score low on something, it doesn't mean you don't have that skill, but it just means that if you do have it, you developed it throughout your life, and it may not come as easily to you as something that you score more highly in. You can click Learn More and get the definition of that skill if you'd like. The next tab is the Personality Fit Report, and it just tells you a little bit about yourself. Are you more introverted or extroverted? You know, are you more collaborative, kind of team-based, or assertive or influential? All the way down to, you know, your thinking style. Do you like more structure or flexibility in your life? And then how do you react when the pressure comes? And no matter where you lean on this scale, these little bullet points underneath give you tips and tricks about your life. So if you happen to be introverted, it's going to say, hey, great, you probably see yourself like this and typically act like this, and that here's things introverts do really well, but here are some things you may want to be careful of because other people can see introverts this way. So it's going to talk to yourself, you about yourself in the context of getting a job and how you might be perceived in a professional setting. So great tips and tricks there. The Culture Fit tab shows that based on your personality, you might likely prefer one type of organizational culture or another. So, for example, this result is this person prefers a competitive environment rather than a collaborative environment where everyone's always working together. So, the personal narrative will give you some tips and tricks along the way there. The interest fit tab talks about how well your personality matches the personalities of those that work in certain occupations and succeed in these fields. So the score here is a match of your personality against the personalities of those in those occupations. So some great data there that you can dig into all you want, review those results, talk to your youth opportunities, counselors, advisors, coordinators, and go through some of those things. The next thing they want you to focus on, though, is this tab, Y.O.U Soft Skills Development. And again, like I said before, there are 10 videos they want you to watch. So you just simply open that task, launch the video, watch it, make sure that you get all the way through it, to be given proper credit. Once you are done, the video will show as complete. Instead of not started here, the status will turn to complete. And then once you finish all of that, your coordinators get a notification. You're given credit for everything. And from what I understand, the more that you do, the more it increases your chances of being entered for the drawing for the $1,000. So wanted to explain that all. Yeah, you can always click the help button or the contact us button at the bottom of your screen for any tech support issues that you have, or you can contact your coordinators or administrators at the Youth Opportunities Unlimited program for additional questions in general.